Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. So this video is going to be just a little bit different from my regular tutorials. I'm actually going to be doing a summer dress haul since wedding season is here and my wedding is coming up in just 2 months, which is nuts. So I am doing a little dress haul for DressLily. I got 5 dresses that I want to show you guys and give my super honest opinion. These were gifts. This is going to be my very honest review on what I think about the quality and the overall fit of these dresses. If you guys want to see what I think about these dresses, please keep watching. So this very first one is kind of a midi dress. It's a little bit longer on the sides than it is in the front and the back. I personally really love this dress. My favorite detail is obviously the back. It has this cute little open detail and I love the asymmetrical aspect of the bottom. I wish that there was a little skirt underneath because it is a little bit see-through, so that's the only issue I have, but other than that the material is pretty good. It steams really easily and it's just a really cute pattern, really cute design. It's super cute for summer. This next one is this little blue tunic dress, and when I first saw it I was kind of disappointed because I thought it was humongous and I was like, I'm pretty sure I ordered a size small, but when I tried it on I actually really fell in love with it. I love these little ruffle details. I really love that it's kind of wider. This is something I would definitely wear with some heels and maybe even like to the beach on top of a bikini, so like a bikini cover up. I love the colors. I definitely love this dress. It's super cute. This next one is the one I think I was the most disappointed with because it is so see-through, but then I thought it is summer, so this is definitely another swim cover up that you guys can wear. The buttons are a little bit loose, so if you kind of bend forward you could see through it a little bit. So I would not wear this unless you wear it over a swim. But if you think of this as a swim cover up, then it is super cute, it's super perfect, super lightweight and airy, and the design is obviously really cute too. Okay, this next one, I was shocked at this quality, especially for the price. This is an extremely high quality dress. The fit is so amazing. I'm absolutely obsessed with the shoulders, with the design of this, how it's off the shoulder but you have a little strap to keep it from falling, and the design is so pretty. Sunflowers are one of my favorite flowers, and normally I'm a little bit hesitant with wrap dresses because they always tend to kind of like open up here, but this one does not at all. So this is definitely one of my favorites that I got. 1000% recommend. And then this last one, I really love this one too. This is another wrap dress, and the way that it's styled, you can also tighten in the front so that it's not super open. I love the design. I would definitely wear this everywhere. I'd wear this to a date. I would wear this to church. I don't own a lot of red dresses. This is one of the only ones, and I'm so happy I got it because I love the fit, love everything about this. And I even love the little shoulders, how they kind of poof out a little bit. I appreciate that little detail. So if you guys like these dresses, I will have them linked down below, and there's a discount code as well for you guys to use. I definitely would recommend these as summer dresses, as swim cover-ups. If you're looking for a more formal dress to wear to a wedding, I don't know, these are a little bit more casual. The sunflower one and the red wrap, they were definitely a bit more thicker, more high quality than the shorter dresses. The shorter dresses are something that you would wear to the beach, but still I would definitely recommend these. I think they're super cute, love the style, and for the price, it's amazing. So I hope you guys liked this little mini review. Be sure to give this a big thumbs up and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you guys want to see in the next video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!